I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome again to our channel.
Sorry, kilograms.
Okay, so this afternoon, we will going to share to you a very simple meal. Nalulutuin namin for lunch. Okay? Okay, so it's a very simple meal. So actually, it's a dried small sea prawns. Okay? So ito siya, dried sea prawns na maliliit. So sa mga Pilipino, na mga kabayan ko, so sa India merong dried fish. Okay? So just in case na magtatanong kayo or na may dried fish ba dito or ano, yes, maraming dried fish dito sa India. And kaya hindi ko rin nami-miss yung dried fish sa Pilipinas kasi marami din dito. Yeah. So for now, it's like, well, in Ilonggo, we call it kalkag actually. In Tagalog, hindi ko alam kung ano, hindi ko pa na-search kung ano yung Tagalog word ng kalkag, yan. So, i-share namin sa inyo kasi parang nakikrave kami na, na kumain ng dried sea prawns. Eto, kakain kami, gagawa kami. It's a very simple recipe, even for my viewers, Indian viewers, who who doesn't know kung paano, or I mean like, kasi usually they also cook like with curry, right, babe? With curry. So, but then
Chili fry.
Yeah, chili fry with thing. But it's very simple. We will just have to roast it and serve it in a white rice, hot white rice. Ayan. So, we'll see later, okay? Okay, so first, of course, we will going to heat the pan. Okay? Okay, so, while hinihintay natin uminit yung ating lutuan. So, all we need is garlic. Okay, so yan. Kinat siya ng maliliit. So, of course, our dried prawns. And, of course, our cooking oil. And small black pepper. So, ayan. So, we're going to... Now, it's already hot. So, hindi tayo mag-add ng oil. There's no oil. So, we're going to add this one. So, kami lang dalawang kakain nito kasi yung mga bata, hindi sila kakain. Ayaw nila. I mean, like, siguro hindi sila sanay or what. So, alam mo naman tayo Filipino, we love this.
On a low flame, just...
So, in a low flame, ganyan lang. I-roast natin. Okay. So, ayan. So, we'll roast it. Yung parang nakikrispy siya. So, it's very easy. It's like, if you don't feel like you're cooking, like parang wala ka sa mood na magluto, and you have available, dried prawns. So, ganito lang. Tapos, masarap siya talaga sa white rice, di ba? Tayong mga Pilipino, mahilig tayo sa mga ganito. Ayan. And then yung, of course, si Sydney, kasi Goan nga siya, they used to do this, like, especially in the rainy seasons, daw, they used to do this one. Lagi silang kumakaano ng dried prawns, mayroong dried bombil fish, mayroong mandeli, which I really love a lot, like yung kanila. Actually, kami lang, ako, si Sydney, tsaka si Mami, yung mother-in-law ko, yung mahilig kumain ng dried fish. Other than that, yung mga bata yun nila. Hindi sanay, hindi pa siguro sanay, kaya ayan. So, hintayin nating mag-roast at talagang mag-crispy na yung ating dried prawns. Okay, so yan. So, malalaman natin na talagang naro-roast na siya pag yung ginaganyan na siya natin, di ba? Yan. Pag tawag dito, pag parang simmer, hindi. Pag ginaganyan natin at talagang nagsa-sound na siya, yun talagang tostado na siya, tostado talaga. Ayan. Ayan. So, medyo hindi pa. Let's wait for some time. And of course, hindi ibig sabihin kami lang kakain ni Sydney, kami lang kakain ng lunch. So, yung mga bata hindi nakakain. Joke. So, for them, gumawa ako ng noodles, like yung Hakka noodles sa previous vlog ko. So, gumawa ako ng Hakka noodles for them. But, I don't need use Hakka noodles itself because I don't have available. So, gumamit ako ng yung Maggi noodles. Syempre, ayan, kasi walang Hakka noodles. So, yan yung kakainin ng mga bata. Actually, kumain na sila. Kami na lang yung hindi. Ayan. So, let's wait for some time. Okay, so ayan. Toasted na siya. Ayan. So, tostado na siya. Okay, so what's next, babe? We're going to add our garlic. Ayan. So, we'll add our garlic. And then, igisa rin natin. Then, our coconut oil. Ayan. Ayan lang siya. At yan ang kakainin naming dalawa. Tsaka white rice. Solved na kami dyan. Or kung gusto niyo, if you have yung white rice niyo, gusto niyo ring i-mix, you can mix also white rice in this. So, parang naging ano na siya, dried prawns, fried rice na siya. O, pwede din ganyan, di ba? O, ako gusto ko yun. Kaso siya, ayaw niya ng ganyan. So, okay lang din. I-mix ko na lang later sa rice, di ba? Ayan. So, ayan. And then we'll add our black pepper. Ayan.
If you have grated coconut, you can put grated coconut also.
So, kung meron kayong grated coconut daw, pwede rin siyang i-garnish on top of this. Okay. Ayan. At actually yung amoy niya is so mabango kasi nga the amoy is very nice. Sorry. The aroma is very nice. It's because of the coconut oil. You add more coconut oil, no?
No, it's okay.
I like it. So, mabango siya kasi nga dito dahil sa coconut oil. Pwede naman tayong gumamit ng ordinary oil na ginagamit natin. So, kasi pero talagang premium, talagang masarap at mabango sa coconut oil. Ayan.
Healthy.
Less healthy siya nga. O, yun. Ayan. So, it's ready to serve. So, later or mamaya, ipapakita ko sa'yo, gagawa tayo ng snacks. Parang snacks in the afternoon. So, we're going to use cassava, grated cassava. So, later, papakita ko sa inyo, gagawa tayo ng ukoy. I don't know in Tagalog, how is it? But then, here in India, I'll show you how to make snacks or fritters using, or how you call fritters in Hindi?
Pakoda.
Pakoda. We're going to make tapioca pakoda, correct? Or cassava fritters. So, okay. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you later.